the tree meditation. Do you ever feel like there's so much going on in your life that things feel chaotic and out of control and you just don't know how to calm down and take care of yourself? Sometimes I feel this way when I get news that's upsetting to me or I hear about something that is worrying. And so when I feel like this, there's a special mindfulness practice that I do to take care of myself. We call it the tree meditation. We're going to do this practice with our eyes closed if we're comfortable. If not, we can have them open and pick a point to focus on. You can do this practice sitting down, standing, or even lying down. Sometimes, if I feel really worried during my day, I do this practice while I'm walking around, so it's really up to you. But find a position that you feel stable and at ease in, and if you're ready, close your eyes. We're going to begin by picturing a tree that's in a huge thunderstorm. There's lightning and rain, and this tree is on the top of a hill and the wind is blowing. And imagine the branches of this tree. They're just waving back and forth, back and forth. There's so much chaos going on around this tree. What does the tree do? Why does the tree not fall over? Let us move down to the trunk of this tree. The trunk of the tree is not moving at all in the rain and the wind. The trunk of the tree is solid and stable, and the roots of the tree go down into the ground. So no matter how busy the wind is around the tree is solid and stable. Feeling solid and stable is a beautiful gift that we can give ourselves when our world feels like that busy wind, that busy rain. To do this, we practice going into our trunk. Our trunk is our belly breathing. Take a moment now to place one or both of your hands on your belly. Notice how your hands move when you breathe in and when you breathe out. Take a moment to drop all of your attention down from your head, where you are often distracted by worry and fear and anxiety. Send all of this down to land in your belly, in your stable, solid trunk. Really allow your thoughts and your worries to settle, to be held in the sensation of your hands on your belly as you breathe in and as you breathe out. You can hold yourself here, making a safe and stable place, even if the world around you is busy. Take a few moments now on your own to really rest and ground your mind and your whole body in your stable trunk, your belly breathing. When you're ready, you can slowly and gently move your hands back down to your sides. And on your next out-breath, gently open your eyes. And remember, at any time, wherever you are, no matter how much the world feels like a storm rushing around you, you can quietly place one or both of your hands on your belly. Come back to your trunk. Take a moment to stabilize yourself whenever you need, wherever you are.